Hey, I'm Zeynep. In this speculation paper with Ozge, we wanted to start a conversation about rethinking design research-related environments as accessible for researchers with mixed abilities. We present a first-person account on how disability physically and socially lived in design research-related environments. The design lab that I work is almost physically accessible. When I encounter an accessibility-related problem, I fix them through appropriating different objects. On the research part, I realized that my experience and my research topics sometimes intersect with each other unintentionally. For the international community last year at DAS, I ended up presenting on a stool. For the social part, tables placed too high and need for standing long times excluded me from the cocktail time. So, considering all of this, to detect possible action points for building more inclusive design research related environments, I asked several speculative questions in my paper.